channel. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. Take what resonates and leave those not for others. Watch on your own risk.
Capricorn, hello my dear Capricorn, collective, downloads, okay. So, meron tayong Three of Cups over here. Maganda to, this is energy of celebration. Meron tayong Three of Pentacles, ayan. This is energy of collaboration, okay. So, based on the energy, meron tayong Queen of Wands, energy ni Aries, Strength card, energy ni Leo, Five of Cups, Magician, Eight of Sword. Eight of Sword and the Six of Wands energy ng success. So, napapagitnaan si Eight of Sword. Okay, dito muna tayo. So, this is energy of collaboration. So, I can feel, my dear, na merong energy outside of your area of responsibility na parang nagbe-brainstorming, parang may pinaplano, my dear. Okay? Ayan, parang may pinaplano, parang nag-uusap-usap, parang may binubuo na something. Meron tayong Queen of Wands over here, energy ni Aries or energy, fire sign ang nandito. Meron pala Leo at saka Aries, oh. Okay, fire sign nandito. Of course, welcome pa rin ng ibang mga zodiac sign. Queen of Wands. This is energy of a Queen of Wands is maldita tong card na to eh. So, Strength card. Okay. So, ang nakukuha ko na message, my dear, is meron nagko-collaborate over here. Ito, nagko-collaborate sila, nagpaplano sila outside of your area of responsibility. Meron tayong energy dito ni Queen of Wands, meron tayong energy ng Strength card, tapos meron tayong energy ng Five of Cups. So, ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear, is binabalak nitong tatlo na to na there's a negative energy over here. May binabalak sila against you. Pero based kasi dito sa tatlong card na to, hindi siya nangyari. Kasi Eight of Swords, tapos Six of Cups. So, ibig sabihin, ay Six of Wands, okay, sorry. Bakit ko nabanggit yung Six of Cups? Energy na nakaraan ng Six of Cups, okay? So, possible na past na energy na to, okay? Magician, itong energy na to, they try to sabotage you, my dear. Yun ang nakukuha ko. Like, nag-release ng something sa'yo, meron silang binigay na something sa'yo, and then pakiramdam ko, kung ano man yung binibigay nila sa'yo is para makulong ka or matrap ka sa isang sitwasyon at hindi ka makaalis. And I have this strong feeling, my dear, na nakaalis ka doon sa sitwasyon na yon because you have the energy of the Six of Wands. And kung bakit nag-appear ulit to, we have here the energy of the Five of Wands and the Nine of Swords in the bottom deck of the card. Possible na nagbabalak na naman tong mga tao na ito, my dear, tong mga energy na to, na gumawa na naman ng panibagong eksena, my dear, para maibalik ka na naman ulit sa energy ng Eight of Swords, okay? Which is energy of Trap card. May iisa ditong pinaka-leader, which is energy, my dear, ng fire sign, energy ng Aries, Leo, and possible na energy ng Sagittarius, okay? So, as of this moment, my dear, merong group or merong energy ng mga tao na nag-uusap sila and they are planning, my dear, kung paano ka ibabalik doon sa Eight of Swords, which is energy ng trap card, which is ginawa na nila noon yon, pero eventually, nakaalis ka because you have the energy of the Six of Wands, okay? So, be careful, my dear Capricorn, because there are some energy around you. Possible na mga kakilala mo rin ito na nagbabalak, nagpaplano, my dear, ng hindi maganda against you. Okay? So be careful, be careful. We have here the energy of the Five of Wands and the energy of the Nine of Swords. So ibig sabihin, magko-create to ng eksena or possible na magpapadala na naman to ng negative na energy sa'yo. So, matuto ka magsabi ng no, matuto ka maglagay ng boundaries, my dear, lalo na sa mga tao na nagdadala ng toxic energy. And congratulations kasi you already survive it. Yun nga lang, meron talagang mga tao na ganito talagang ugali na talagang pinaglihina talaga siguro sa sama ng loob at alam mo yun, talagang halang talaga ang kaluluwa. I consider these people as halang talaga ang kaluluwa na parang ayaw nila nakakakita ng tao na parang nagiging alam mo yun, umaasenso or gumaganda ang buhay. So be careful, my dear Capricorn. Learn how to say no and learn how to set some boundaries, my dear. Kahit sa mga tao, my dear, na kakilala mo. Okay? Huwag mo silang paaabusuhin at huwag mo silang hahayaan na lumagpas sa boundaries mo. Okay? So, my dear, yan po ang nasagap natin na downloads energy for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself, my dear. I love you.